Hi guys.
Hey guys, so we're here at Mangia Bene, one of our favorite Italian places. They got really good Alfredo
Oh, the
fettuccine,
best.
but we're not here for that today. We're doing all the best pizza places we
In
like to
Orange
go to.
County.
Orange County only.
Hope everyone's doing great. Come on, let's go
Join
eat.
us.
Complimentary garlic bread at Mangia
It
Bene.
is so good. I love this stuff here. They give it to you with every meal. It doesn't matter what you order. If you order pizza, it comes with everything.
So, what kind of pizza are we getting?
Salsiccia.
All right. It comes with
So
sausage.
it's, sausage, caramelized onion, tomato sauce, mozzarella, and it's cooked in a wood-fired oven, and it's cooked at about 400 degrees. One more. Good?
Perfect.
Thank you. Wow, that looks crazy good. All right, well, we're going to have to get this organized so we can pick up a piece. All right, let's see if we get a piece out of here. Oh, look at all that steam coming off of there. Oh, I'm losing all my onions. Wow, that's a lot of cheese. Oh, thank you. Oh. Now that was a good cheese pull. All right, so the crust has got really nice, crispy, very crispy. Look at that. Oh. Whoa. Wow, a lot of cheese on this pizza. So what I like about it, the sausage, really good flavor sausage. And then you got the caramelized onion, it's kind of sweet. So those two, salty and sweet, balance out really well.
Oh, that onion is delicious.
Let's try that the crust though. How's it look underneath? I didn't even get to see. Oh, it looks good. Since they would fire it at high temperatures, I think it seals in that like moisture inside the crust, so it's not dry. But on the outside, it's nice and crunchy.
That pizza is delicious, you guys. You can taste a little bit of that smokiness from the wood-fired grill. Sausage is good. But you know what I like is the caramelized onions.
Yeah, it's a little sweetness, and it kind of goes well with the saltiness of the sausage. I'm gonna try another bite of the pizza itself, but
Go ahead, it's so good.
crunchy. Like I said, it cooks really fast on the outside, so it's nice and crunchy, but it's still nice and little soft, pillowy on the inside.
So much cheese on this pizza. The cheese is delicious.
Very fresh. Possibly homemade. We'll have to check that out. Bam. Good Italian sausage.
So if you guys are in Laguna Niguel, this is a must-stop for pizza.
Yeah, how much was this? 17?
$17.95.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. You can share this with 2 people. Maybe
Absolutely.
Maybe get an appetizer. Have a beer. Well, this one as well as 4 others in Orange County, the best places we get pizza out. At least the ones that we like.
So stick around.
Yeah, don't go away.
Hi guys, we're here at Massimos in Costa Mesa. It's a pizza series, right?
Yeah, Orange County pizza. Best places to go.
So let's go check it out.
We'll show you the pizza in just a second. Smells good. That's hot.
So we're here at Massimos. They've been open for 42 years, which means they're doing something right? I always dress up my pizza. Just a little bit of pepper, some Parmesan.
So we've been eating a lot of pizza this week. Oh yeah, the underside. It's so hot. The cheese pull is so hot. I don't know how you hold on to that. Mine, you can actually see the grease on it popping. What do you think?
The crust is really good. It's crunchy. The cheese is delicious. The right amount of sauce.
And for the price.
$7.50 for cheese. It was 50 cents more for pepperonis, but comes with
a drink.
A drink. That's a really good price.
So overall, Costa with tax, what, $8.13 or something like that.
Here, Jeff. Just go like this and have a bite.
Yeah, I know how to eat pizza when it's hot.
But really good cheese pizza, you guys.
I can't hold it. It is literally that hot. It's so hot.
I love all that grease on that pepperoni, you guys.
That's exactly what I remember.
The crust is delicious.
Yeah, really good crust. And the cheese, they got a good ratio of cheese sauce. Nothing worse than places that, don't put enough sauce or don't put enough cheese. There's a good balance. Really good. One thing I remember, their salads are really good here too. So if you come here, grab a salad. It's kind of a healthy choice for the pizza.
And that menu, yeah, they have really good prices for lunch, really good specials.
Next time we're down here, we're definitely coming here for their lunch special.
Well, this is a lunch special, but the pasta special?
Yeah, the pasta special's weekly. All right, I can't hold on to this pizza, but
the underneath is cooked so perfectly, you guys.
it's kind of like chew to it. That's just crunchy and fluffy in the middle. Oh, you got this needs
Ranch
some ranch.
or cheese sauce. One of our 5 favorites and best in Orange County.
All right, let's move on to the next.
I'm getting the sausage sensei, which I've had before, and it is delicious.
It also comes with a side of beer cheese.
Yeah, that's I think my favorite part.
One thing I like about this place is it has like gourmet pizzas by the slice.
And mine is $6, you guys.
Yeah, it's pretty cheap. So we'll show you when we get it.
Pretty
and this
much.
is a pizza, not a pizza challenge, but a showcase of pizzas in Orange County.
Yeah,
so
our favorite. So
show you in a second. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching.
Dave didn't offer me his beer, so I'm just taking a sip and see what it
I'm
tastes
drinking
like.
some of yours if you're drinking mine. How is it? It's weird, just a hint of chocolate in the background.
Like dark chocolate. I love it. This is really good.
All right.
So Dave decided on what pizza he's getting. What is it?
I want to do the Home Alone, which is just a classic cheese pizza for $5, or the Stay Loose Halle, and that's a Hawaiian style with the crispy pepperoni, bacon, jalapeno, caramelized onion, pineapple, and mozzarella pizza. And
Get
garlic
that
oil,
one.
but it has everything but bagel seasoning on it.
It's pretty good, because I've had it. It's from
I've
Trader
never had it,
Joe's.
so I'll try it. Yeah, I know it's from Trader Joe's. So what do you guys think? What one am I going to pick?
Cheese or the other? The other one.
I don't know. All right, Kathy, what did you get?
I got the sausage sensei. If you guys realize, this is huge.
That is a huge. Put your hand up there. That's a pretty big piece of pizza for $6. And it comes with beer cheese sauce.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think you're going to be able to do it that way.
Automatically you taste the garlic. It's so good. The crust is delicious.
Yeah, that crust is incredible looking. Hey, do we even look underneath it? Oh yeah, that looks good.
This is really good. I taste the jalapenos, I taste the sausage, the cheese. There's not too much sauce on here, which I prefer.
And there's a caramelized onion on there, I believe.
But it's not spicy enough for me, so.
Yeah, these here spiced it up with some peppers. But you don't need to see or eat that.
Did you see my beer cheese?
Oh yeah, that's what the beer cheese is for. Oh, come on. That's one thing I love about this place. Beer cheese with your crust on the pizza.
Oh my God, that is fantastic. Amazing, I love it.
I could literally just eat the beer cheese by itself. It's so good.
Dave's Howley pizza? I wonder why he got it. Not because he's a Howley, right?
I am a Howley. I hope it's not as hot as the other piece.
No, it's perfect.
Oh yeah, it's good. So my brother-in-law gives me a hard time. Pineapple does not belong on pizza. I beg to differ. I love it.
So delicious looking.
So I was a little concerned about the everything but bagel seasoning on there. It's actually pretty good. I don't mind it.
We have it at home. We really don't eat it on much. But
Yeah, I
maybe we
never
should.
would have thought to put it on pizza though. Really good.
Wow. That's fantastic, baby.
$6 for this slice of pizza. Can't beat it. I mean, with how much everything costs these days, this is a good piece of pizza for $6. Good. So if you have a chance, Ripp Pizza, good beer, good pizza.
Huntington Beach, love it.
All right, well, we got more pizza to eat. We'll see you guys in a second.
We're here at Terra Mia, which is in Tustin, right off Edinger.
And Red Hill.
What did you get?
I got the jalapeno pepperoni and pineapple.
Oh, nice.
Kind of similar to a Hawaiian pizza with some jalapenos in there, right? Just no Canadian bacon. And yours has ricotta cheese mozzarella and that green stuff is spinach, isn't it?
So I got a white pizza. All right, it looks really hot, you guys.
Some Parmesan cheese and some peppers. Oh, look how glistening that is. I love it when the pepperoni gets a little greasy.
Oh, that's so good.
How's the crust
Look at the
part?
bottom.
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
Wow. It's really thin. I love the ricotta on here. The spinach really can't taste, but the crust.
That's a big cheese bowl right there. Hey, I love the white pizza. It has the saltiness of the mozzarella cheese comes through.
Perfect.
It's not hidden with the sauce or the saltiness of the pepperoni. So if you get a plate and the pizza's really hot, this is my trick. I just push it off until it gets into my mouth. Aha.
That was a cheese pull, not a drool. It kind of looked like a drool.
I burnt my mouth the other day eating pizza. The crunch on the dough is so good.
Oh yeah, that's like perfectly cooked.
I love it. It's super crunchy on the outside and nice soft inside. Got a nice chew to it. You know, these days everything costs so much money. I'd much rather have a $3.75 slice of pie versus a hamburger somewhere else.
You want to try the white pizza?
I do. It's pretty much what you would think it is. A little spiciness from the jalapeno. Oh yeah. One thing I love about that is it tastes like a little bit of garlic flavor. Really good. And the saltiness of the cheese.
It's so good.
Wow. Incredible.
All right, guys, this is one of our favorites in Tustin, California.
So if you watch this video, all the places we went to all has great pizzas. I think there was only one where you had to order a whole piece. I think all the other places we went to, or no, two of them. Two of them was only the whole pie. The other three would be by the slice.
So,
It's a great option if you're wanting a little snack. Or if you want leftovers, get a whole pie.
all right.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Make sure to subscribe if you like this video and these type of contents.
I'll be more.
Yeah, I knew you would like the white pizza. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hi, guys. We're here at Selma's in Ladera Ranch. They have two other locations, RSM and San Juan Capistrano. I looked over that way like I could see it. It's not right next to each other. We're starting off with the Hazy IPA. And the great thing about this is $2 of it goes to help Maui Fund. What kind of pizza are we getting?
Smoking Inferno.
And what's on it?
Pepperoni, sausage, jalapenos, and meatballs, and of course mozzarella cheese. And then they got the Roma tomato sauce on top with the sprinkles of Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, this is a deep dish, you guys like.
Big.
Yeah.
It's not your original pizza. It's definitely not going to be a pizza that you hold with your hand, and it's going to be my kind of pizza because I like to eat my pizza with a fork and knife. Wow.
So check out our pizza.
It looks so good and rich. There's so much cheese in there. So besides the crust, so they take the dough, they put it down, then they layer that with some cheese, and then they put the pepperoni, the sausage, the meatballs, and the jalapenos in there, and then they top it with the Roma tomatoes on top of that, and then sprinkle it with the Parmesan dust. Oh, that looks so good. I don't know.
And we got some extra Parmesan
Oh, yeah.
and
They hooked us up.
Nice.
And then some ranch too, because well, Kathy thinks she's gonna dip it inside the ranch.
I mean, look at all this crust. What else are you gonna do with it, right?
I think you're gonna sop up with all that sauce. But hey, let's check this out. Just a little bit of cheese.
Oh, did you see that underneath? Oh my goodness.
Does it look good? See if I can pop this off right here. Yeah?
Yeah, it looks nice and crunchy and delicious. Look at all that sauce.
Yeah, this is almost kind of like a lasagna. Ouch, it's hot. Oh. Ooh. Got a soft landing. Oh yeah, so there is plenty of cheese on this pizza. Oh, smells delicious.
It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it.
Yeah, would you like some Parmesan cheese on yours?
I would love it.
I love my Parmesan. I mean, when you have cheese and you can add extra cheese, why not, right?
So, this video, if you haven't noticed, is going to be the best pizza in Orange County. So we wanted to show you, you know, variety.
Well, it's not the best pizza, it's the best pizza places.
Yeah, well, that's what I meant.
Yeah. We don't want to be like proclaiming this is the best pizza in Orange County. It's just one of the best pizza places that we go to. All right, let me see if I can get a little bite off of this. All right, so this isn't a pizza that you hold with your hands. There's no way. This thing is so messy.
Ah.
So like I said, this is like a lasagna pizza. It's just so thick and dense. So many,
How's that crust?
I haven't tried it yet. Crunchy.
Stay away from my ranch.
The sausage is really good. It's not super spicy, so when it's smoking inferno, it sounds kind of scary, but it's not. It's totally fine. But really cheesy. They put a lot of meat in there. Big, huge chunks of sausage. And the plum.
That sausage is so good. It's salty.
The sauce on there is so good. Very good flavor.
This is so good.
So if you like, if you like pizza, and literally I think 2 pieces, and you'll be like having to take a nap.
You know, Dave said it wasn't spicy, but I could taste the jalapenos in there. And I think I got one. It's really good.
Yeah?
See the bottom of this?
Oh yeah. So they cook it in a seasoned iron skillet, or iron pan, I should say, cast iron pan. So it gets that nice little caramelization. You get that caramelization on the crust. Like it in the ranch, don't you?
I think Dave needs to try it because it is so good.
I'll take it off camera. Yeah.
We're going to enjoy this pizza, and we'll be seeing you in